What's up, YouTube? I want to do a quick little video on how to hook one of these Pondmaster UV lights up to a smaller pump and filter system. I just recently put this on a few days ago. We had big issues on floating algae in the water. Tried numerous other things, nothing seemed to work. So we had to break down and get the UV light. When I was looking into purchasing one, I was looking at information on YouTube and other websites and whatnot on how to hook it up on the type of system that I already had. This is a Pondmaster, I think either a 1250 or 13 filter and pump type system. I have this little prefab, just basic fish pond. Nothing, no shelves, no anything fancy in it, just a basic straight down 2 foot deep type pond. I was curious about how to hook this up, obviously, and went and talked to somebody at a local dealer that deals with these pumps and all kinds of fish related stuff, and they told me this is pretty much one of my only options as far as hooking it up, which is what I was kind of thinking. It is actually pulling the water through the UV light instead of pushing it through the UV light. So no more water than I have in this pond. I guess, you know, with this type of pump, it was strong enough to pull it through, and as long as I keep the filter clean, it should be good enough to pull. But anyway, so I had to put some 90-degree angles on there. I'm pretty much limited on the amount of space I have in the floor of this pond. So I kind of had to shorten things down as much as I could, and the way these inlets and outlets go on the UV light and the way the pump was, I was kind of limited on what I could do. So this is kind of how I came up with it. Like I said, hopefully this will help somebody and let them kind of figure out that, hey, you can do this. Like I said, I couldn't find a whole lot of information on this ahead of time, but I'm going to wrap this up. You know, hopefully this will help somebody, and keep an eye out. I'm going to probably post another video on the how good this UV light is actually doing. It's been on for about 3 days, and I've already seen a big difference in clarity. The fish are definitely happier and more active, and so definitely worth the money that I've spent in it. It's pretty expensive, but definitely well worth it. And I'll update another video after it goes about a week here. I'll probably post something up showing the clarity of the water then. So anyway, I'm gonna shorten this out and get out of here. Hopefully you guys can put some comments on what you think. Subscribe if you like, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, peace.